What if you could finish 3 hours of work in just 10 minutes? Sounds impossible? Not anymore. AI is helping millions of people study faster, create content in minutes, automate everyday tasks, and save hours of work every single day. But with hundreds of AI tools available, which ones are actually worth using? In this video, I'll reveal 10 of the most powerful AI tools of 2026, explain what they do, who they're for, and how they can boost your productivity. Make sure you stay until the end. You might just discover the one AI tool that completely changes the way you work. Let's get started. ChatGPT. Now, if you've only used ChatGPT to ask random questions, you're missing out on about 90% of what it can actually do. Think of it as your personal assistant that's available 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. Need to write an email? Done. Need help understanding a difficult topic before tomorrow's exam? No problem. Want a YouTube script, Instagram caption, LinkedIn post, resume, business proposal, or even a marketing strategy? It can create all of them in minutes. And if you're a programmer, ChatGPT can write code, explain code, find bugs, and even help build complete applications. One feature I personally love is document analysis. Instead of reading a 100-page PDF yourself, just upload it. ChatGPT can summarize it, explain difficult sections, compare documents, or answer questions based on the file. Planning a vacation? It can build your itinerary. Learning a language? It becomes your personal tutor. Need creative ideas? It never gets tired of brainstorming. Whether you're a student, office worker, freelancer, entrepreneur, or content creator, ChatGPT is easily one of the most useful AI tools available today. Google. Imagine opening Gmail on Monday morning and seeing 50 unread emails. Instead of reading every single one, you simply ask Gemini, "Can you summarize everything important?" Within seconds, you know exactly what needs your attention. Need to reply professionally? Gemini can draft the response. Working in Google Docs? It helps write reports. Using Google Sheets? It explains formulas, analyzes data, creates charts, and even spots trends. Need a presentation? Gemini can help generate slides with content already organized. It also understands images, videos, PDFs, and code. Since it's deeply connected with Google's ecosystem, everything feels smooth and natural. If your daily work revolves around Google Workspace, Gemini can easily become your favorite AI assistant. Now imagine this. Your boss sends you a 250-page report and says, "I need the important points before lunch." Most of us would panic. Claude wouldn't. Claude is one of the best AI tools for reading and understanding long documents. Upload contracts, research papers, financial reports, books, meeting transcripts, or even entire project documentation. Claude keeps track of context amazingly well. It can summarize information, explain difficult concepts, rewrite complicated language into simple English, compare documents, and answer detailed questions. Many lawyers, researchers, consultants, writers, and business professionals use Claude because it's incredibly reliable when working with large amounts of text. If reading documents is part of your job, Claude can literally save you hours every week. Let's be honest. How many times have you searched something on Google, opened 6 different websites, closed 4 because of annoying ads, and still didn't find the answer? We've all been there. That's exactly why Perplexity AI has become so popular. Instead of giving you 10 blue links, it gives you the answer immediately. But here's the best part. It also shows exactly where the information came from, so you can verify the source yourself. Need the latest news? Need product comparisons? Need research for college? Need technical information? Perplexity combines AI with reliable sources, making research much faster and much more trustworthy. It also remembers your previous questions, so the conversation feels natural, almost like talking to an expert instead of using a search engine. Now this one is seriously underrated. NotebookLM. Unlike most AI tools that search the internet, NotebookLM works with your own knowledge. Imagine uploading your college notes, meeting recordings, business documents, research papers, or even your favorite books. Now imagine asking questions like, explain Chapter 4. What are the important exam topics? Summarize this meeting. Create quiz questions. Turn this into flashcards. NotebookLM does all of that. But here's the feature that really surprised me. It can even generate podcast-style conversations based on your documents. Imagine listening to your own study material while driving, exercising, or walking. That's a game changer for students and professionals alike. Let's switch gears. Have you ever needed a YouTube thumbnail, an Instagram post, a logo, a presentation, or maybe a resume, but thought, I'm not a designer? That's where Canva AI comes in. Instead of spending hours learning complicated software, you simply describe what you want. For example, create a modern YouTube thumbnail about AI tools. Within seconds, Canva generates multiple design options. Need to remove the background? One click. Need AI-generated images? Done. Want to resize your design for Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, and LinkedIn? One click again. Even the writing can be generated using AI. It's honestly one of the easiest design tools anyone can use. Now let's talk about creativity. Imagine typing this: a futuristic city floating above the clouds during sunset with flying cars and glowing skyscrapers. A few moments later, you get an image that looks like it belongs in a Hollywood movie. That's Midjourney. Its image quality is simply incredible. Artists use it for concept art. Authors create book covers. Businesses design advertisements. YouTubers make eye-catching thumbnails. Game developers create fantasy worlds. Movie creators visualize scenes before filming. If you can describe it, Midjourney can usually create it. And honestly, some of the artwork it produces is hard to believe was made by AI. If you've ever edited videos, you already know how time-consuming it can be. Cutting clips, removing backgrounds, fixing mistakes, adding effects. It can take hours. Runway changes that completely. You can generate videos from text, animate still images, remove unwanted objects, replace backgrounds, improve video quality, create cinematic slow-motion effects, even extend video clips using AI. Many YouTubers and filmmakers now use Runway because it dramatically reduces editing time. What once took an entire day can now be done. And here's a fun question. Have you ever watched a faceless YouTube channel and wondered, who is this narrator? There's a very good chance it wasn't a real person. It was ElevenLabs. Its AI voices sound incredibly natural. You can convert text into speech, create realistic narrations, dub videos into different languages, clone voices with proper permission, produce audiobooks, even create customer support voices. For content creators, this is one of the biggest time savers available today, especially if you don't like recording your own voice. Minutes. Let's finish with something almost everyone has struggled with: creating PowerPoint presentations. Normally, you spend hours writing content, choosing layouts, finding images, aligning text, fixing formatting. Gamma changes everything. Simply enter your topic. For example, artificial intelligence in healthcare. Within minutes, Gamma creates an entire presentation. Slides, images, charts, professional layouts, even speaker notes. It can also create documents and simple web pages. Whether you're a student, teacher, entrepreneur, or office professional, Gamma can save you an incredible amount of time. So there you have it. 10 incredible AI tools that are changing the way people learn, work, create content, and run businesses in 2026. But remember, you don't need to use all 10. Start with one, master it, then slowly explore the others. You'll be surprised how much time you can save every single week. Now I want to hear from you. Which AI tool are you already using? And if you could try just one new AI tool after watching this video, which one would it be? Let me know in the comments. I read as many of them as I can. If you enjoyed this video and found it useful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications. Every week, I share videos about AI, technology, gadgets, productivity tips, and the latest tools that can help you stay ahead of everyone else. Thanks so much for watching. Take care, keep learning, keep creating, and I'll see you in the next video.